Hello, and welcome to the pet room. This is where we're at the moment. Some things have been sort of haphazardly added to the pile. As I said, I'm going to be gathering some of the dual drives, and underneath all of these machines here, there are dual drives, and there will be more. There's more to come. And, there's an 8010 modem. There's a 9090 hard drive. There's some books. There's an old pet, an original without the keyboard. The miscellaneous trophies. Way up high we go. We see a very, very old pet and a shirt from a Commodore hockey team, actually two. One home, one away. And as we pan, we see, yes, there's the one. It's not a B machine, it's an 8296. And then there's the wall of pets. Two drives over in the corner. And then down on the floor, there's more. That's where I have been putting the recent additions. And that's where the super pet I was just looking at will go. And as you can see, I've been gathering boxes to fill in the space. There's a box for an Omega. There's a pet on top of two drives, same two drives I mentioned before. Here we have an original, but not the oldest, of the chiclet keyboard pets. There are in here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chiclet pets. There are. And of course, as we come around here, we will find the super pet, the one that I just rescued. That needs some attention, shocking as that might be. But it does not say super pet, as many of these do. If you look way up in the distance, there are many that say super pet that are missing their boards. Anyway, as this book would say, there's no place to hide. So if there's a pet or an accessory in this house, I will find it. I shall. And it will come into this room for the family portrait. And there's a t-shirt from House of Computers. I got that, let me think, probably in about 1978, maybe 45 years ago. Indeed, and it's hard to see, but it says, I like petting. And we'll end up with the hockey jersey. So the one next to it is also the same team, same everything. It's funny, I found them different places, different ways, different everything. And there, of course, is the Commodore phone that came with the BIC modem. And that is all I have to say about that. And there, of course, yes, there's the 8296. Don't worry, I have the keyboard. And there is Freddy Krueger. And up above there's things have been gathering here. There's a couple of different Commodore adding machines. There is. And as we swing back around one more time, we see the chiclet machine. It was a nice thought, but very impractical. But of course, like anything, makes them more collectible now. Even though the keyboards are basically, well, not unusable, but certainly not that friendly. Well, that's about all I have to say about this. Today is a day that I go unto the dentist. I'm trying to get some stuff done before I go to the torture chair. Anyway, thanks so much for coming. The pet room continues to grow and evolve. Bye for now.